Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle power meter crank set in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle power meter crank sets to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Xcadey X-Power Gen 2 meter crank set. Specifications: brand name, Xcadey. Protocol, ANT+, Bluetooth 4.0. Measurement, spider-based. Power range, 0 to 2,500 watts. Cadence range, 30 to 220 revolutions per minute. Data support, power, cadence, left-right balance. Battery life, 150 hours. Battery, Li-ion battery. Charging, USB magnetic charging. Working temp, -10 to 50 degrees Celsius. Waterproof, IP67. App iOS and Android. Warranty, 24 months. Number 4 is Zrace Unchained Pro. Specifications: brand name Zrace. Model number, Unchained Pro. Type, bicycle crank. Use, road bicycles. Material, carbon fiber. Category, suit. Crank size, 165 mm, 170 mm. Crank axle length, 94 mm. Power measurement accuracy, 1.5%. Power measurement range, 0 to 2,200 watts. Cadence measurement range, 30 to 180 revolutions per minute. Battery life, 260 hours. Protection performance, IP68. Data protocol, ANT+, Bluetooth. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected Zrace Unchained. Specifications: brand name Zrace. Model number, Unchained. Type, bicycle crank. Use, road bicycles. Material, carbon fiber. Category, crank. Axle, 28.99 mm. Q factor, 152 mm. Power measurement accuracy, 1.5%. Power measurement range, 0 to 2,200 watts. Cadence measurement range, 30 to 180 revolutions per minute. Battery life, 260 hours. Data protocol, ANT+, Bluetooth. App iOS and Android. Weight, 385 grams. Origin, mainland China. Number 2 is Geoid PM500. Specifications: brand name, Geoid. Model number, PM500. Use, road bicycles. Material, aluminum alloy. Power accuracy, 1.5%. Bluetooth, yes. And plus, yes. BCD, 110 BCD. Chain line, 44.25 mm. Q factor, 147 mm. Waterproof, IPX7. Power range, 2,300 watts. Cadence range, 20 to 240 revolutions per minute. Battery life, 300 hours. Charging method, magnetic. Compatible apps, Strava, Zwift, Wahoo Fitness, etc. Weight, 680 grams. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Magene PES P515. Specifications: brand name, Magene. Model number, PES P515. Material, steel. Crank length, 165 mm, 167.5 mm, 170 mm, 172.5 mm, 175 mm. Bolt, 4 bolts. BCD, 110 mm. Power range, 0 to 2,500 watts. Cadence range, 20 to 240 revolutions per minute. Data function, power, cadence, left-right balance, pedaling smoothness. Wireless protocol, ANT plus Bluetooth. Q factor, 147 mm. Working temperature, -20 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees Fahrenheit, -50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Battery life, 240 hours. Waterproof grade, IPX7. Power accuracy, plus or minus 1%. Chain line, 44.25 mm.